The best way to protect yourself from eye damage is by purchasing an excellent welding helmet, but to determine which of the many brands of helmets is the right one for you, you'll have to make a few choices, so, here are some of the factors to consider as you make your decision. Number 1, DEKOPRO Welding Helmet. Eye protection is the game, and you best believe that this helmet is well versed in it. The stellar features dedicated to the all-around running of this device are evidence that it has no choice but to function well. With the DEKOPRO Welding Helmet is in a league of its own when it comes to eye protection. It is fitted with auto-darkening filters that switch from light to dark in 1/25,000 seconds, thanks to this handy feature, in the case that an electric failure occurs, the user is safe from ultraviolet and infrared radiation. The auto-darkening feature also makes it possible for welders to adapt easily to all sorts of working environments. It does this by controlling the shade of the lens, and all of them emanate from ambient light sources. In addition to this, it comes with sensitivity and delay settings which add to the helmet's suitability for a wide range of environments and jobs. It also comes with a number of sensitivity adjustments from ambient light sources. All you have to do is pick one. Then to crown it all, it is powered by solar panel technology which enables it to run for up to 5,000 hours. Pros: great value for money, comes fitted with an extra screen, stellar response time, it offers up ultimate eye protection. Cons: the headband is generally uncomfortable. Number 2, YESWELDER Large Viewing Screen 394x3, 66-inch True Color. YESWELDER welding products are known for providing good value for the money. This welding helmet has many of the features found on more expensive models and boasts the largest viewing area of any we considered. Colors are good, if not exceptional, and while 1/1/1/2 optical clarity isn't perfect, it is still to a professional standard. Auto-darkening speed is 1/10,000 second, which is slower than some but still perfectly safe. Controls for shade, delay, sensitivity, and grinding mode are all on the outside of the helmet and designed to be used with gloved hands. This YESWELDER welding helmet lacks the construction quality of leading brands. It is heavier than many, and the headgear could be more supportive. Nevertheless, the combination of low price and a competitive feature set makes it one of the best welding helmets for the money available. To crown it all, it is incredibly comfortable thanks to a number of reasons, but at the core of them all is the presence of the oversized comfort cushion attached to the headgear. What makes it even better is the fact that it offers up extensive adjustability. Pros: comprehensive feature set, easy-to-use controls, very affordable, great value for money. Cons: headgear could be improved. Number 3, Antra Wide Shade Range 4/5-9/9-13 Auto Darkening Weld. Antra's low-cost welding helmet is aimed at beginners and those who don't weld regularly but still want the convenience of auto-darkening. Though it can't compete with high-end models on some levels, it's a versatile helmet with a wide shade range, grinding mode, and adjustment for sensitivity and delay. Reaction speed is good at 1/25,000 second. The lens is on the small side with optical clarity at 1/1/1/2, and there's a noticeable green tint while welding. Most users find this Antra's headgear comfortable, though it also has fittings for hard hats. It doesn't have much structural rigidity itself. The Antra welding helmet is not designed to stand up to professional use. While many prove reasonably durable, faults are not unknown. The viewing area offered by this helmet is also quite decent, since you get an area of 386" x 173". It comes with a lightweight design due to which it weighs just 455 grams with dimensions of 9" x 9" x 12" that make this helmet quite compact and practical. Pros: adjustable for sensitivity and delay, hard hat compatible, very low cost. Cons: not for everyday use, pronounced green tint. Number 4, DEKOPRO Solar Powered Welding Helmet. DEKOPRO is another popular brand of welding accessories that includes things like various welding helmets. Thus we have mentioned one of the best options from DEKOPRO in this article. DEKOPRO's welding helmet is one of the cheapest options available out there that makes it a great option if you are on a budget or want a value for money option. This welding helmet is fully solar powered, which means that you do not have to charge it again and again. Despite its lower price tag, you get a decently large 385" x 315" viewing area in it that allows for welding quite easily and ergonomically. You also get a large April 9, 13 shade range in this welding helmet that can be adjusted quite easily. Unfortunately, since this is a budget product, you do not get any manufacturer's warranty with it and only Amazon's 30-day return policy. Thankfully, the build quality is decent when you consider its given price. its filter can quickly change its state within a 0, 1 to 1, 0 depending on your current settings, and the controls are also quite easy to use for changing these settings. A great thing about this helmet is that it weighs 1 pound, that makes it quite lightweight. Number 5, Lincoln Electric K3034-4 Viking 3350 Auto Darkening. The Lincoln Electric Viking 3350 ranks highly with users and in independent reviews for good reason. Its superb lens, among the largest available, is rated optically perfect at 1/1/1/1/1, and it uses what Lincoln Electric calls 4C technology to reproduce truly lifelike color. It auto-darkens in 1/25,000 second. In addition to the wide shade range, there are controls for sensitivity and delay that offer a high level of customization and fine control. The convenient grind mode button on the side of the helmet must be pressed for 3 seconds to avoid accidental activation. There is very little to fault with the Lincoln Electric Viking 3350. The X6 headgear offers good comfort, although we have seen reports that the tightening knob occasionally works loose. While the price is competitive given its feature set, we expect it will be more than many hobby welders want to pay. The new version also introduced an external grind mode button, making it even more user-friendly. If the Viking 3350 were less expensive, we would have picked it as the best bargain professional helmet. Pros: extra large lens, excellent clarity and true color, precise control. Cons: expensive.